Today's Mac Voices is supported by Smile and the various flavors of PDF Pen. See how PDF Pen, PDF Pen Pro, and PDF Pen for iOS can help you do more with your PDFs at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices at CES in Las Vegas. Folks, I'm in the AirSelfie booth, and literally a nice big booth so we can see a demo here of AirSelfie, and Eileen's going to show it to us. Eileen, thank you so much for the time.
Oh, thank you very much.
So AirSelfie is a compact, is it fair to call it a drone?
I would prefer you call it a flying camera.
Okay.
Because it's not a drone. It's a flying camera. What it's designed to do is, if you could take your camera on your phone and throw it in the air, you would, but it would fall to the ground.
Yeah.
So instead, we're going to toss this flying camera in the air. I'm going to show you that you're going to see the visual on my iPhone. I'm going to capture pictures and then bring it back down, and I capture what I want, and it's an extension of my phone. So it's not a drone. It's 2.8 ounces. It has a range of 65 feet. So we really are stressing this extend what your phone can do, and this portfolio that we have here at the show is really reinforcing aerial imaging robotics, AIR. And we're looking at one-touch autonomy to make it really simple to take pictures, take video, have fun, all in the simple use of an AirSelfie device.
Okay, so a couple questions here. First of all, how are we communicating between the two?
I have this connected via Wi-Fi. So this emits a Wi-Fi signal. So right now, instead of being connected to the Wi-Fi of the show, my phone is connected to the Wi-Fi being emitted by the AirSelfie 2.
Great. And what kind of resolution are we getting out of this?
12 megapixel. So
wow.
You're looking at high, and it'll do still and video. So the video is HD.
Okay. And that's all being recorded right to my phone. It's not...
Technically, it's being recorded to the internal memory on the AirSelfie 2. And then when I'm done and I view it in my gallery mode, I can pull it down and view it on my phone.
Okay, so it's not an SD card, it's just internal memory that is being pulled down. Okay, great. All right, let's fly it.
Can we give it a fly?
Let's go.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to fly this.
Yes, there we go. I'm going to hold down the launch button. 1, 2, 3. Toss it in the air. Now I'm going to get it to go a little higher. I'm doing this with the phone. Let that sit right there. Now with my phone, I'm going to push it back a little bit. Move to the right a little, and now right now it's in still mode. I'm going to take a picture of us. Oops, get that over there.
Yeah.
But what's really fun is you can control it in either still or video mode. Videos are really fun because you can bring it in close to people, you can send it out, you can send it up, and the whole time you're getting a chance to see what's being captured by the camera on your phone. And then once you bring it down, you can immediately, with social media, post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram, put it up in Snapchat. Really fun. And the reason for being at the show is this has been on the market since June. We're really excited about our 3 new Air cameras, Air 100, Air Zen, and Air Duo. Air Zen, really cool. I don't have to connect it to my phone. We kiddingly call it analog, where it's not connected. And you can turn it on, shake it, and it's called flutter start, and toss it in the air. And it's designed to actually be above your head, so it's getting that zenith view back down. And then after a certain period of time, let's say 30 seconds, it'll drop straight down, take it and go. That one is actually water resistant. I live in Boston. I like to kayak on the Charles. I can actually take that one now when I go kayaking. I can't take this one anywhere near water, because if it lands, it's one and done. But with the new Air Zen, I can let that land in the water. It's water resistant. We'll do a sport mode. We'll have little floaties on the bottom, so it'll even float a little bit longer. Air Duo is, I call it this guy's big brother. The Air Duo will have a front-facing camera and the zenith camera, so while you're flying it, you can change what capture mode you're in. And then the one that's soon to be released is our Air 100. That's our opening price point, $100 flying camera. Awesome, great imagery. New app. So for 2019, our excitement is our new app for our 3 cameras we're announcing here, more to come back half. We have a new manufacturing partner who's done some phenomenal work with our imagery and with the motors. So I wish I could fly the Air 100 for you. You'll hear it's quiet, significantly less of hum that you hear in this motor right now. So a lot of things that we've heard from consumers, smaller, lighter, obviously the retailers would love at least one that's closer to $100, and then we can step them up as we bring them through the portfolio up to $229.
Now, I don't know how do you measure battery life? I don't know if it's a flying time or photos or...
So flying time, if I wanted to fly this a solid 5 minutes, it would stay a solid 5 minutes. If I leave it in standby mode like it is right now, it doesn't eat away at the battery life the way the initial AirSelfie used to. When you turn the original one on, the clock started ticking. So you needed to fly it or you're going to be severely impacted with your flight time. This one's nice. It'll sit to standby and then you might get 4 minutes and not 5 minutes. And then as we go through the year, you'll see Zen will have a removable battery, which is awesome. So flight time is 7 minutes, swap the battery out, you've got another 7 minutes. One of the things we heard with AirSelfie 2 is people wanted to access the internal memory. So on Zen and on Air 100, you'll have access to put a removable micro SD card in. So if you want more memory, you have access to that. We have some new bags for carrying cases for the devices. We're showing that here at the show. So a lot of exciting things.
Absolutely. So if you would, go through the pricing right now and availability of what is available now and what's coming.
Can we show the floor?
Oh, the
We'll
floor.
walk it through. I told people if this was the NHL, would get in trouble because you're not supposed to step on your logo.
Yeah.
But so AirSelfie 2 is in the market today, $200. AirSelfie 100 will come out in roughly 60 days, and that's a $100 price point. Air Zen, right? The one that you can flutter start, just shake, and it'll kick into gear. That'll be $140. And then as we hit the end of Q2, beginning of Q3, Air Duo looks very similar to AirSelfie 2, but this will have 2 cameras, and that'll be priced at $229.95.
Perfect. And of course, right here we have the website, airselfiecamera.com.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for the time.
Oh, it's a pleasure. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Folks, we'll have more from Las Vegas at CES. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.